2016 Mini Cooper. It's making noises. Yummy. That don't sound good at all. The water pump pulley was loose. I'm assuming the belt's tore up. And the tensioner. We're digging into it and find out. Alright, after close examination, that pulley tensioner here, it's metal to metal, so it sucks. And how those work, they're friction. You can't have metal to metal for friction. Makes a lot of noise. So now, and that part is not available at the moment because everything's closed. So we are going to close up the shop today and get out of here. That's what we're going to do. Welcome back. Well, it's the next day on the Mini Cooper too, but we got a full house because guess what? My favorite Wrangler is back, and it's back for a different reason. Let me show you. We are going to be installing a trailer hitch on this bad boy. So the update on the Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper, I did order the pulley so I can get the water pump and the pulley put on here and finish this thing up, and this thing should be out of here by at least 2 o'clock today. That's the goal. Now on the Cooper, I have 1 more hour before the pulley shows up so I can get it installed. Everything else is done. Just got to slap that pulley back on and get it shipped to the customer. Bam! Just like that. Huge difference between the old one and the new one. The new one's got this rubberized stuff all over it. The old one does not. Alright, we're going to test and see if it works. I gotta get in here. There we go. Where's the button? Oh, there's the button. Ow. Okay. Sounds a lot better. Booyah! Time to put it all back together. Get her out of here. Mini Cooper, done.